If you're looking to do a business as a side hustle, then maybe stability is not that important. But if you want to be a full-time entrepreneur, then honey, you need stable streams of income. Hey y'all! Do you guys mind me putting this mic up here? Because usually I have the mic somewhere in the air, but I just figured to do a podcast style video today. Welcome back to the channel. On here, we're all about having fun while building businesses and lives that we love. And today we're talking about business ideas that you can start. Even if you don't have a lot of money saved, anybody can start one of these businesses and start generating an income like that. But let me put a caveat though. You have to do the work, okay? I'm saying like that because it's doable, it's accessible to all of us, but not everyone will put in the work. Number one is to start an agency, and what I mean is that you market a service, but when you get clients and when clients pay you, you hire someone to actually get that service done. So you don't have to do anything. You're the middle person. You have your client on one hand, you have your service provider on the other hand, and you are just the agency. Now, a traditional model of an agency, what might come to your mind is maybe an advertising agency. But in today's world, we have things like social media management agencies, virtual assistant agencies, digital marketing agencies, and you don't actually have to have a fancy Google-like office. No, we are in the modern world where Fiverr exists, Upwork exists. So all you have to do is brand yourself as an agency, create a logo that looks good, set up an Instagram page, put up some nice cute little posts about whatever service it is. Let's use a social media management agency as an example. Selling yourself as a social media manager, you have to have social media that looks good. And then when you have customers reach out and say, hey, I sell hair, for example, could you help me manage my brand? I'm a busy professional, but on the side, my side hustle is selling hair and I need somebody to handle my social media page. And you say, bet, it's gonna cost you $300 a month. And then they say, fine, okay, I'll pay you $300 a month. That's okay. What you then do is look for a freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr or any of those websites. There are a lot of those these days. And you get them to create a feed, like 1 month's worth of posts, and automate those posts. They're usually not very expensive, especially if you get someone on like Fiverr. And then you pay them $100 for their work and you keep $200. And that's all. You don't need a ton of money to start that. If you multiply that by 10, that's a whopping $3,000 in revenue with very little capital upfront and very little effort. Number two is to create an online course and monetize your knowledge. You might be thinking to yourself, I have no knowledge. What will people pay me to listen to? Honey, people who just have jobs, like basic jobs, are out here teaching other people how to get jobs. Literally, you could teach anything. How to relax your hair by yourself, how to clean up your resume so you can get a good job, how to start a YouTube channel. If you're an adult watching this video, you probably know how to do something. Whatever that is, you can create a course about it. And now there are platforms that market these courses for you. All you have to do is get a phone, sit in front of a window, record this course, and put it on a platform like Udemy, like Skillshare. But if you're someone who wants to go full-time into course creation, then you might consider creating your own website on something like Kajabi or Teachable. And the great thing about courses is you set it and forget it. So you do the work once, you upload it, and people keep signing up. However, once one person signs up for your course, that's it. If they pay $50 for it, that's $50 from one customer one time. Which brings me to number three. Number three is starting a subscription-based service. I personally have this in my business. It's called Profit Tribe, and we are a badass community of 60 women right now. I teach how to promote their businesses through social media strategy. We have a book club, we have guest speakers. It's amazing. And it didn't really cost me that much to set up. I already had these skills, I already had this knowledge, and I've just put it in one place where people can sign up and pay monthly. So it's recurring. So one customer pays $20 a month. And that might seem like a small amount of money. I've chosen to make it not so expensive because I want it to be affordable to everyone. But however, when you multiply that over a period of months, it's recurring. So it's a stable source of income for me. So if you start a subscription-based business, you have automatic return customers. They don't just pay for your thing once and leave. They keep paying month after month as you keep providing value month after month, girl. Number 4 is to start a content-based business. And the way content-based businesses are monetized is through affiliate links, sponsorships, and Google AdSense. And if you don't know what an affiliate link is, when YouTubers talk about a product and they say it's linked below, it's usually an affiliate link. When you click on it as a viewer or a customer, you don't get charged anything extra, but the YouTuber gets a percentage of whatever you spend with that company. So it's no additional charge to you, the buyer, but they benefit from it because they've promoted another business. So when you have a content-based business, what you're doing is dishing out content either on YouTube or a monetized newsletter or a blog. And when you build your audience to a certain size, then brands start getting attracted to you because they want to reach your audience and sell their products to your audience. So they tell you that we would sponsor your video. Just mention our product in your video and we'll pay you this amount of money, or take an affiliate link and make people click on the link and you get paid this amount of money. So that's how content-based businesses make money. For example, this YouTube channel would eventually become an income stream for my business because I'm dishing out this content to you guys, and when we grow to a certain size, brands will begin to reach out to me to talk about their products to you guys. But I'm really not looking to monetize this channel through brands so much because I only want to share what I believe in with you guys. That's not my priority right now. My priority is to pour out this information and make sure that you guys actually make the progress that I hope you would make in your businesses and your lives as we go along. So if you have any questions or anything you would like me to make a video about, we're still super small, so I'm literally making the videos you tell me you want to see. So let me know in the comment section what you want me to talk about next, and I would be more than happy to. And don't forget to like this video if you want more business related content, and I would see you in the next video. Until next time, take care, my loves.